Hey gang, what is going on? Uncle Trav coming to you from the Donelson area again. We're in an area of town that was damaged by the tornadoes that we had in 2020, though I don't think anything we're doing here today is really relevant to that. So cool story, huh? What we're doing here actually is updating an existing old landscape. There were some, I don't want to call them outdated, but just some older style, some U's here in the ground that you're probably seeing in this really cool panning video that I took. We're gonna come in here and transform this whole turf area and these old existing beds and this turf area along the sidewalk. I'm gonna kind of give it an update, kind of give it the JVI treatment. A lot of folks ask us about designs and things like that. I've been asked too, like, how do you know where the plants go? Well, we have a designer that does that for us based on the availability of plants and what we have or what we're able to get. She works with us and we work with the homeowner. You kind of on what you like, what you want to see, and what your sun versus shade requirements are. Typically we have our friend Denise Ball up in Lexington. She works virtually. She does some really awesome landscape layouts for us, like the one we're standing in right now. Something to consider if you're doing some planting yourself. Once you've got your bed area prepped and getting your plants in the ground, you want to make sure you leave your root ball a couple inches up out of the soil. The reason you want to leave your root ball a little bit high is A, the root ball is going to settle a little bit, so it's going to sink down even after we packed it in. And two, you want to allow for that mulch to take and come up over the side here and just cover the top of the root ball. Common rookie mistake, plant the root ball flush with the ground at grade and then bring your mulch up 2 inches or so up on the tree. If you're lucky, the tree will just get like a fungus. Worst case scenario, the tree or the plant will die. Because they can't breathe. So something to consider, but be better if you had us planted anyway, because it keeps us off the streets. You're gonna think I'm being a smart aleck when I say this, but watering. Yes, you have to water your plants after we leave. One of the last things we do when we're done mulching and everything is we water. We call it watering everything in. We give everything a really good soak. And then after that, it's actually usually one of the first things I do on a landscape job. I send a homeowner our watering instructions. It also has our plant warranty at the bottom. I think for the most part, people just like to cruise around their yard and just soak everything. When you're watering in a new plant, you want to definitely want to soak the root ball, but you want to soak the area 8 to 12 inches away from the root ball. That gets the soil that the roots are about to grow into, that gets it sort of softened up and prepped and ready for the roots and the soil to mingle. So, something important. There you have it, gang. Landscape install numero uno of 2021. Many more to come. So I got Mr. Sango going here. We are gonna get everything buffed out, get this ready for mulch, and get some mulch on the ground. So I'm gonna get back to work. You know the drill. Like, follow, share, subscribe. Tell a friend, tell an enemy, tell whoever. Uncle Trav, I'll see you next time. Cheers.